Hi, I'm Tori, and I'm here to explain Group 4. You are the Irrigation District Managers looking at agricultural health and impacts. So we are going to look at a couple of different resources here. And as you can see on your student worksheet, you're going to create a couple of slides to share with your classmates, including an explanation of the Vegetation Drought Response Index with a map and some examples of drought impacts in Colorado that were reported during April 2020. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by clicking on the link provided in your student worksheet and click on Vegetation Drought Response Index. And this pulls up a data set. And as you can see right now that this is set for August 4th, 2024, but we're going to change this for the data set that we are looking at for this activity. So what we're going to do is just kind of scroll through and read a little bit about what this Vegetation Drought Response Index is. So explore this website. There's some good explanations down here below the maps. But what we're going to do is we are going to follow these directions, and we are going to create a map. So what we're going to do is click on Archive here because we're going to look at some past data. And we're going to, our area is going to be Colorado. Okay, we want to look at a complete map. And our first map that we're going to look at over here is we're going to put in April 12th of 2020. So scroll down until you find that data or that date range. There we go. Okay, April 12th, 2020. And then for our second map, we're going to look at April 19th, 2020. All right, there you go. So you can see that we have two different maps here, showing two different dates, but in very close, within about a week of each other, in April 2020 in Colorado. So what we're going to do is you're going to create or take screenshots of this. And the best way to do this here is make sure, again, you include the key, but it lets you download the maps, and this just produces a better image. So if you download the map as a PDF for both of these, and then put these in your slides to share with your classmates, that will be the first part for your group. And make sure again that you look for any patterns, right? And any changes between these two date ranges. So then we're going to go back to our student worksheet, and we're going to look at the next data set, and this is the National Drought Mitigation Impacts Drought Impact Reporter website. So click on the link, again, provided in your student worksheet. And this new map, we're going to follow the directions again. So on the right-hand side of the screen, what you're going to do is you are going to change the scales and some of these different inputs. So for scales, we're going to keep it at county, and make sure that we keep this this impacts box selected. We want that check mark to be there. We do not want to click any of these other boxes. So the next thing that we're going to change is time period. And under time period, we are going to customize this. Okay, so to start, we are going to, again, go back to April 2020. And we're going to do April 1st, 2020 to start. And then we're going to end the end of April in 2020. So the end of the month on the 30th. So start on the 1st, end on the 30th of April 2020. And then for a location, we're going to change this to Colorado. And we're going to look at all counties. And then under categories, we're going to keep everything selected. Under report types, we're also going to keep everything selected. Then we're going to scroll all the way back to the top and click refresh so we can see our new map. And as you can see, Colorado is highlighted here. And again, you can take a screenshot right here to share with your classmates. Again, make sure that you are including a key in any maps that you share so you can interpret the data set. And what you're going to do is you're going to browse through this impacts list. Okay, so you can see that there's some different impacts reported with these different counties here in Colorado. Again, the gray would be least impacted, right? Zero impacts, with the orange being more impacts. So you can see some of these different impacts for Colorado. Again, depending on the different counties that you look at. So make sure that you explore these different impacts in the different counties and share these on the slide to share back with your classmates. And be sure to also discuss any impacts that you and your team have observed in your own county during recent dry years and what this might mean for your county and the rest of Colorado. All right. And that's all I have for you. Thank you.